In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate layers in drawio for Confluence. Duplicating layers is a great way to iterate on a design, create variations, or branch an idea without changing your original work. I'll walk you through the process inside Confluence using the draw.io editor that opens right on your page. First, head to your Confluence space and open the page that contains the diagram you want to work on. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you're viewing the page in read mode, that's fine. Just navigate to the diagram you need. Next, open the diagram in editing mode. Click the diagram, then choose the option to edit it. This launches the draw.io editor within Confluence so you can make changes. Give the editor a second to load your shapes, connectors, and existing layer structure. Now, look for the Layers panel. It usually appears on the right side of the editor. If you don't see it, open the Layers panel from the editor's sidebar by selecting the Layers icon. In the panel, you'll see a list of your layers. Often you'll start with one called Layer 1. Click on Layer 1 to select it. Selecting the layer ensures the copy action targets the correct set of objects. If your design uses multiple layers, confirm you're on the one that contains the content you want duplicated. With Layer 1 selected, open the layer options. You'll see controls such as show or hide, lock or unlock, and a menu for more actions. Choose the copy or duplicate option. This creates a new layer with the same objects as the original. Immediately rename the new layer to something meaningful, like Layer 2 or a descriptive label such as Variant A. Clear naming helps you and your teammates quickly understand what each layer contains. You should now see the objects on Layer 2 mirroring the original. Toggle the visibility icon to confirm that the duplicate is independent from the first layer. Move or style an object on Layer 2 to verify it doesn't affect the original layer. If you plan to compare versions, consider locking the original layer to prevent accidental edits and keep only one variant visible at a time to avoid confusion. This is especially helpful when presenting or exporting slices of your diagram. When everything looks good, continue working with your duplicated layer just like any other. Arrange, style, or annotate it as needed. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a layer in drawio for Confluence, giving you a safe, organized way to explore alternatives while preserving your original work.